Okay, so I got asked to try Wuthering Waves on Orange Pi 5. This is an Orange Pi 5 Plus. I did try it on Raspberry Pi 5 as well, but unfortunately it doesn't like the graphics drivers on it, so it doesn't let you go any further. So let's see if it works with Gamepad and also mouse and keyboard. So if we jump into a game. So Gamepad support isn't there, unfortunately. Mouse, keyboard also isn't as well, so it's not doing anything with mouse and keyboard. So it is over the touch. I'll go into screen capture in a second, but just to show you how touchscreen works, so we can run around, we can fight, whatever this is, jump as well. But I'll switch into screen capture because it looks a bit better. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing on the game. Doesn't seem to be slowing down though, seems to be working alright. What is the... oh, okay, that's like a heavy attack. I've seen this game advertised on the Epic Game Store for PC, and I thought maybe it is going to be popular, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's quite nice to see an open world game like this running well in an SBC. You could hear the sound seemed alright with all the speech and everything then, and in battle. Looks like we're heading over to this point. Pretty fancy cutscenes. Let's just try and turn this up a bit. Yeah, sound quality is excellent.
Are you injured from the
Okay,
fight?
let's skip all this. May hinder your understanding of the story. Okay, I'll go with that. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be slowing down at all. What else have I got? Tap here to use Resonance Liberation. Well, let's give that a go. Oh. Whoa! So even with this large enemy, we seem to be alright. Oh, gosh. I've got a lot of energy. Oh, the energy's coming back. It's quite a decent environment. Am I too far away to use that? Yeah, I am. Yeah, definitely copes with it. Might play a bit more of this, although it's the touchscreen that puts me off, really. I mean, obviously, if you're playing it on a phone, you know, a small screen. Oh, ran under her. I'm too far away to use that attack. Look at that. It does look decent.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Speeding up.
Combat is pretty decent, actually. And I'm doing a terrible job, and it is only the first one. Oh, here we go, we got something here. That was quite a good attack. Oh, did that work? Okay, so I've defeated that one. Let's just have a look around. It looks like it's telling me to go this way. Oh, there is climbing on this as well. Not sure if it climbs up everything. Yeah, it does. So you can see if we have a look at the environment, it definitely copes with it absolutely fine. Not sure if I'm supposed to be going up this way. It does look like I might be supposed to be going up this way. Okay, so I think I'll leave it there, but yeah, pretty impressive. Okay, so I hope all this helps. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.